It's funny because I'm trying to do a video this morning, and you ever do that? Have mornings where distractions happen, and you're just like, okay, well, I can't get this video out. How am I going to get this video out? Everything interrupts me. Okay, well, that's one of those type of mornings for me. All right, let's some sunshine in. Look at that, nice and bright. It's beautiful out there. I'm gonna take the day off today. I've done enough driving. It's driving me crazy driving. It drives me crazy. Do 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 do. I can't sing. Anyway, so happy Saturday. Thank you for joining me. And the way gas prices are, holy shit. That's what you say when you look at gas prices going up 10 cents a day. Holy shit. I thank God that I was blessed with this beautiful small car. That's easy on gas. Now it's not so bad driving, but it's sure nice to have a day off. My job consists of driving, so this is why it drives me crazy. But anyway, never mind about that. Okay. Out of darkness, light shall be shining, with a view to the illumination of God's glory. How's that for a Saturday introduction? Okay. My printer's going. Jacob's printing something. See, I told you, distractions. Damn it. I will let that print out. I think that's his T4. We're going out to Airdrie, our old stomping grounds, and he's going to do his taxes, apparently. He likes that H&R block out there, so we'll go there and do his taxes and enjoy some lunch and enjoy some day. Father and son time, which is nice. Okay. All right. So, that's his T4, yeah. Come get it, or I'll give it to you. There you go. That's all the T4s you had?
Yeah.
You pretty sure?
Well, I only work for 3 companies.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna finish.
I did collect the idols. Isn't there some special thing I'm gonna do for that?
I don't know. I'll find out, I guess. I'll help you out with it. But I'm gonna finish my video here. All right. Okay, we're back. All right, let's start this little article here, and I'm going to share some today and share some tomorrow and share some next week until we finish it all, because it's actually really good, and it's a long article. It's by Robert B. Killen, Killen. All right. Okay, so Paul's career as a slave of Christ Jesus began with intense light flashing about him as the one who was to be his Lord confronted him on the Damascus road, the glorified Christ, our brother. That was special, reserved for Paul alone, but light still shines today. It shines in believers' hearts, unseen by the world, buried in the very core of the believer's being, while in the world around there is darkness. For the God who says that out of darkness light shall be shining is he who shines in our hearts with a view to the illumination of the knowledge of the glory of God in the face of Jesus Christ. 2 Corinthians 4:6. The spiritual reality strikingly reverses the physical. So it's like reverse. The inward man is being renewed day by day within the believer's heart. The outward man is decaying. So, where the darkness is inside and the light without, so you can see that in the world. The darkness is within man's heart, the callousness and everything, and the wickedness is within man's hearts. The believer has something totally different, reversed. God shines in our hearts and gives us grace to be getting through this life with the illumination of his glory within that shines without later. The outward man decays, as you can tell. Look at me. The outward man decays, but the inward man is being renewed day by day, moment by moment. Okay, now for the believer, God's revelation of himself and of his glory is centered within, while the darkness embraces the world outside in its ignoring of God. Okay, recognizing God. God's glory is not recognized out there, as we can tell. Just look around you. While much can be known about God from observing his creation, for God manifests it to them. Romans 1:19. Nevertheless, knowing God not as God, do they glorify or thank him, but vain were they made in their reasonings, and darkened is their unintelligent heart. Romans 1:21. And so there are two operations in this era. One, darkened hearts, a deepening spiritual darkness in the world, destined for a climatic judgment period. And two, hearts with God shining in them, illuminating the glory of God. The second operation began with the momentous yet now of Romans 3:21, a manifestation of the righteousness of God, and the transcendent revelation that his own righteousness is for all and on all who are believing. Because God's righteousness is for all, it is certain that the operation of darkness is temporary. The operation of illumination, however, does not cease, but leads forward in expectation of the glory of God. Cross-reference Romans 5:2. Through Jesus Christ's faith, all will be graced with God's righteousness at the consummation. Okay, have a beautiful Saturday. We will talk to you tomorrow, hopefully. Grace and peace.